Thank you for watching this video on the NDCF Dashboard. This is the dashboard homepage. As you can see, it provides summary information, including the total number of car seat checks, as well as the overall percent of misuse. This chart also shows you the number of car seat checks by year and month, as well as by seat type. Let's take a closer look at the main menu. From here, you can access pages on misuse, on maps depicting the different types of car seat checks by zip code, car seat information, and vehicle information. Throughout the dashboard, if you would like additional information about any data in a chart, simply hover the mouse over the chart and additional details will pop up. This dashboard contains many graphs and other visualizations, so I'm only going to cover the highlights today. Let's take a look at the car seat misuse page. This map depicts misuse by state. On this map, you can select different types of misuse. This map is currently depicting any misuse among all types of car seat checks. However, you can click on different categories on the left-hand side to toggle between all checks, postnatal checks, and prenatal checks. Then across the top, you can select the different types of misuse categories, including harness misuse, load leg misuse, or lower anchor misuse. The car seat information page contains 3 different charts related specifically to car seats. I'm highlighting the one chart that depicts the number of seats by the year that the car seat was manufactured. By looking at this chart quickly, we can conclude that very few car seats are expired, with most of them being manufactured in 2019. Now, let's take a look at the vehicle information. This provides summaries of the types of vehicles seen at car seat checks. This chart displays all of the makes. When you hover the mouse over a make, the top 15 models pop up. Using this with your program data can help you understand the most frequently seen vehicles at your checks. Thanks very much for your time today. I strongly encourage you, if you haven't already done so, to sign up for an NDCF account and then take some time to explore these dashboards. Thank you.